I've been asked, when can you file a car accident injury claim? Technically speaking, if you get injured on a Monday morning, you can file an injury claim Monday afternoon. I mean, it's just a filing fee going down to the courthouse and filing a complaint against the other party. I wouldn't necessarily recommend that, although it's been done. I think that after an accident, you need to circle the wagons and gather your information and assess the extent of your injuries and make a intelligent decision on whether to file based upon all the facts and information available. Of course, there are some exceptions to this, such as serious injury that you need to get into the courthouse ASAP so that you can get subpoena power and get certain information about the other party. So there is justification to file it immediately. The statute of limitations in Florida is 4 years. So you have up to 4 years to file a lawsuit from the date of the accident, but technically you can file it the same day that you were injured.